With how much it costs to move to a new home, it's not surprising you're reluctant to pour money into the house you're leaving behind. But those minor and sometimes major repair issues you've tolerated can deter buyers from making an offer or even kill the deal. So what should you fix and what should you ignore? Answer that and you could potentially save a lot of time and money. Hey homeowners, Katrina here with HomeLight. Nathan Dart, a top real estate agent in Maryland, ranks among the top 1% of realtors nationwide. He says that if you don't want to lose buyers, make sure your home's bones are in tip-top shape.
You know, if we're back in the market, we disclose that we have these issues, then every other buyer that comes in to view our property will then, of course, want these issues addressed.
So what repairs do you absolutely need to make before you list your house? We spoke to experts in home improvement and scoured the internet to find the 7 must-fix issues you'll need to tackle to get your house sold. First, faulty wires. Electrical problems lead to over 51,000 electrical fires a year. According to Fixer.com, the cost of rewiring a 1,200 square foot home averages $10,000. Chances are you have smaller repairs such as missing wire nuts, open or damaged junction boxes, frayed wiring, and faulty light switches or outlets. This will run you an average of $65 to $85 per hour, plus the cost of materials, which is a small price to pay to make sure you can close the deal. Next, poor grading and drainage. Grading and drainage refer to how water, such as from rain or melting snow, is directed away from your home. Clogged rain gutters, faulty downspouts, water stains, and spongy soil around your foundation are all signs of issues to fix up. Fixes can be as simple as cleaning the gutters to adding downspout extensions and gutter screens to prevent clogs. The future homeowners of your house won't need to worry about water damage or drainage, which can be a huge relief if they need to move in soon. Roof problems. Clogged storm gutters can lead to water damage to your shingles and wood rot, but if you've got a little water leaking into your home during rainstorms, you can fix your roof issues by replacing damaged weather stripping and shingles for about $600. The roof is one of the most important components of a house. Don't let a shabby roof scare away buyers. Foundation problems. If you're lucky, your home's foundation issues will be minor, caused by the natural settling of a home over time. Basic repairs to a foundation are between $800 to $1,500, according to the Foundation Repair Network. And that's not including additional costs, such as slab jacking and the fees of a structural engineer to assess the damage. Some signs of foundation problems include noticeably slanted floors, windows, and doors that don't close properly, cracks in your interior walls, gaps above cabinets, and visible cracks in the exterior foundation. A severely damaged foundation can make it almost impossible to sell your house. Poor upkeep. Peeling paint, worn out carpeting, damaged tiles, cracked pavement, these cosmetic issues may seem minor, but there is a chance that may cause your sale to fall through. The first cosmetic fix is to consider a fresh coat of paint and replace the carpeting if it's more than 5 to 7 years old. You should also fix any minor damage, such as replacing broken tiles and securing loose handrails. If your kitchen and bathrooms are older, give them an updated look with new light fixtures, faucets, and cabinet pulls. But with a couple of minor adjustments, you show buyers that your house is ready to move into without them spending thousands in addition to the ticket price. Faulty plumbing. Plumbing problems lead to water damage, which means mold and dry rot. Cost to repair water damage depends upon a variety of factors, including the source of the water, the size of the damaged area, and how long the damage has gone unnoticed. Plumbing issues range from leaks around faucets or toilets to damaged pipes that need replacing. More complex problems such as snaking clogged drains or replacing pipes need a licensed plumber, which costs between $70 to $125 per hour. For a small price, don't let leaky plumbing get in the way of closing the deal. HVAC. A new HVAC unit can cost you anywhere from $4,000 to $11,000, including installation. So this is an expense you'll want to avoid if possible. If your system is running inefficiently, a qualified technician may be able to make repairs to your HVAC unit. Just be prepared for the expense, as you'll pay a flat rate for the service call, plus fees for any repairs or parts needed. Buyers will want to know that air quality, heat, and AC are all intact before they make an offer and close the deal. Bottom line, when in doubt, ask your real estate agent what to fix before selling a house. Unless the problem is obvious, chances are your untrained eye won't be able to find all your repair needs. Find a top real estate agent to help you through the process at HomeLight.com.